In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Bitcoin on BingX. Whether you're new to the process or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you. So let's dive in and walk through the different methods of selling Bitcoin on this platform. First, you'll want to access the BingX platform. Start by navigating to the BingX website. Once you're there, the homepage will provide you with an array of options for managing your cryptocurrency. Next, look for and click on the Buy Crypto option, which is prominently displayed on the website. This is the starting point for both buying and selling Bitcoin. After you click on Buy Crypto, locate the P2P trading section. Clicking on P2P trading will direct you to a marketplace where you can engage with buyers and sellers directly. This approach is perfect for those looking to engage in peer-to-peer transactions. Now, in the peer-to-peer section, let's delve into the first method, selling for local currency. Begin by selecting the Sell option. You'll then need to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell, which in this case is Bitcoin, and enter the amount you'd like to sell. Afterwards, it's time to pick a buyer and select your preferred payment method. Once you've confirmed all the sale details, keep an eye out for the payment from the buyer. It's crucial to verify that you've received the payment before you proceed to release the Bitcoin from your account. This step ensures your transaction is smooth and secure. Let's now explore the second method, selling your Bitcoin on the spot market. Start by going to the spot market section of the platform. Here, you'll select a trading pair such as BTC/USDT, which enables you to trade Bitcoin for another asset like Tether. Next, input the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell. At this point, you'll have the option to choose between a market order and a limit order. A market order will execute your sale immediately at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you'd like to sell. This method is particularly beneficial for those who are keen on following market trends. Finally, the third method is using the quick buy or convert feature for an instant exchange. Visit the BingX Convert or Quick Buy section on the platform. Here, you need to select Bitcoin as the asset you want to sell. Choose what you want in return. This could be another cryptocurrency or a fiat currency. Review the conversion details carefully and then confirm to complete the transaction. This method offers a fast and convenient way to exchange your Bitcoin without delays. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to selling Bitcoin on BingX. By following these steps, you can confidently sell your Bitcoin using the method that best aligns with your financial goals. Whether opting for peer-to-peer trading, spot market sales, or instant conversion, BingX offers reliable and easy-to-use options to suit your needs.